In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a dynamic IP with Cloudflare reverse proxy using Ddns, designed especially for beginners. This is a straightforward process that will allow you to seamlessly integrate dynamic DNS services with Cloudflare to achieve better performance and security for your applications or websites. First things first, we need to get to the right starting point. To begin, head over to the Cloudflare website. Once you're there, find the Login button. You'll usually see it at the top right corner of the homepage. Go ahead and click on it to access your Cloudflare account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to take a moment to sign up. This step is critical because you need access to the Cloudflare dashboard to proceed. When you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your Cloudflare account home. Now, locate and select My Profile. By visiting your profile, you establish the groundwork for managing all your settings and configurations, which will empower you to maneuver through the upcoming steps more efficiently. Next, navigate to API Tokens. The API Tokens page is crucial because it allows you to create tokens that will enable your dynamic DNS to communicate with Cloudflare securely. Once you're on this page, look for the Create Custom Token button and click it. This will initiate the process of generating a token, which is necessary for the configuration you intend to set up. Now that you're setting up a custom token, it's time to define permissions. Click on Permissions. This is where you specify what actions the token will allow. It's a security measure to ensure the token's usability is both practical and secure. To keep everything functional and secure, you'll want to set the permissions specifically to Zone, then DNS, and finally to Edit. By doing this, you are authorizing the token to make necessary changes to your domain's DNS records, which is essential for dynamic DNS functionality. These steps might seem a bit technical if you're new, but don't worry. Each action is designed to ensure that your dynamic DNS is set up to function smoothly with Cloudflare. Completing this setup means that Cloudflare will effectively handle your domain's traffic, even if your IP address changes, making your digital presence more robust and reliable. Remember, patience is key during this setup, and once it's complete, you'll enjoy the benefits of Cloudflare's powerful network, ensuring smoother access and enhanced security for your web applications. Be sure to save your configurations and consult Cloudflare's support resources if you encounter any issues. And that's it. You now know how to use a dynamic IP with Cloudflare reverse proxy using Ddns. Thank you for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, make sure to share it with others.